So I've been thinking for a few days now what to do with this ripe loquat here. So it's not that sweet, but that's why we waited, let it get more ripe, and see what to do with it. So I'm gonna hop the fence here, go grab some, and wash it, and we're gonna sun dry it. So right now you can see that some of them in this area is almost overripe, and you see birds have been picking on it. But this side here, right here, is quite a bit over here. So let's go see. Let me climb over there and hope I don't fall. Wow, look at this. It's really nice. Look at this. It's all the right one here. It's so pretty. The color. So I'm gonna pick this, and then this one here, let it ripe a little bit more. There's a lot of them. Look at down here. Got a whole bunch of them down there. Alright, let's pick them. Look at that. Wow, so pretty. I'll take this one out. Get that one. Try to do it at one hand. There you go. And just get rid of the one that's there. Let's see. Try to get a big one. Oops. Look at that. This is really nice. Look at this one. This should be enough. So I got this wash, got the tray ready. So I'm just gonna peel and peel it and split it in half. Let's see how easy this will be. Actually, not too bad. Fresh. Okay. Side. So there's a pit in there. Take that off. See. So that's. Just lay that down. And the same thing with the other side. But there's two pits in there. Actually, you can just push them out. A few more here. I'm just going to cut the bottom like this and just take the pit out. And that's it. So you can leave it like that too. I'll leave it like that. That would be better actually. It will be quick too. So I'm going to peel one and I'm going to taste one and see if this is still sour or not. Because last time I tasted it was a little bit on the sour side. It's good if you like it that way, but let's see. Smells good too. Oh, this is sweet. It's not bad. Actually, this is pretty sweet. Wow.
Super juicy.
Yeah. Wow, that is sweet. Wow, I'm surprised. But it's good.
Fresh batch.
Yeah. Wow, that is really sweet. Here's the peels and pit it out. So just gonna let it sit in the sun. They're really sweet. I mean, my hands are so sticky with the sugar doing the peeling on it. So let it sit out in the sun today. Right now it's kind of late in the afternoon, and probably one more day tomorrow should be really good. So can't wait to see how it come out. All right. So this is after a few days out in the sun. This is how much I have left. Look at that. Let's see how it tastes. Should be good. I tasted a couple of them already. So not too dry, not too mushy, but it's a couple days out in the sun. So let's see. Oh. Wow, this one's really good. Sweet. Nice. So, give it a try. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next clip.